Good morning, Blue Devil Nation. I wanted to show you a cool tech tip by Tracy. Um, have you ever been working and you keep toggling back and forth between this tab and this tab, and you really would like to be looking at these at the same time? Well, Google's just released a new update that I want to share with you. If you get your two tabs that you want to split, and then in one of them, if you will right click in this space, you're now going to see an option that says Add Tab to New Split View. Click on that. And then because I have other tabs open, it's asking me which tab do you want to split this one with. So I'm going to go ahead and choose my Google Classroom. And then you can see that I'm in the same tab, but I've got two screens showing. And this middle allows me to change the size. I can then go back to my other tabs and you'll notice they are full size. And when I go back to this tab, it's a split view. If I right click up here again, I can arrange my split view. I can separate the views, I can close the left, close the right, or I can even reverse it. And then again, don't forget about this really cool tool that allows me to resize. So I'm done with my split view, so I'm just going to go up here and I'm going to separate the views. And now I'm back to 5 tabs. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this tech tip by Tracy.